In this video, I'll show you how to get the wide angle camera in Snapchat. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. And this guide is going to work on any type of phone, iOS, Android, it's all going to work as long as you've got Snapchat. So in order to go and get the ultra wide lens, it's important to note that your phone actually needs to have this feature. Like you need to have the ultra wide lens on your phone. So you're going to know you have this feature because when you go and open up the camera app, you can go and switch it to 0.5 and then you get it like that. So if you can get it in your main camera app, then this means you can go and get it in Snapchat. So to go and then get it in Snapchat, you need to flip your camera around like so. Then all you need to do is go to the right hand side of Snapchat and go and click on the button with the two arrows coming out of it, just like so. Tap there, and as you can see, it then turns ultra wide on. Alternatively, you can go and tap on that little plus button at the bottom of this row of options here, just like so. And then we have the My Camera settings, and all you want to do is go and tap on ultra wide, just like so. And that's going to go and turn on the ultra wide on. And as you can see, it looks really cool. I could then go and take a picture just like so. So if you don't have this feature, then make sure you got the most up-to-date version of Snapchat. So go and open up your App Store or your Play Store, whatever phone you're using, and go and search for Snapchat just like I did here, and make sure it says open. If it says update, then make sure you go and update it. However, it's still maybe yet rolled out to your account, so don't worry, eventually you will get it, but you may need to wait a bit longer before it's available. Alternatively, you could try using another Snapchat account to see if it appears. But the main reason why it isn't appearing is probably because you don't have the wide angle lens on your phone, so make sure you've got a wide angle lens by checking in your camera app. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.